hello friends, welcome to my channel TukTap. So friends, today we are going to learn multiplication, not multiplication tables, but only multiplication. Friends, today we are going to know 2-digit multiplication. So first, the first problem. The first problem, 25 into 15. So friends, 25 into 15 is our first problem. So friends, first we have to do the 5 ones into 5 ones, then the 5 ones into 2 tens. So let's start. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. So 25. So we have to write here 5 and 2 is our we put 2 in our hand. Yes. We carry 2. The 2 is carry. So let's do 5 to 2 tens. 5 1 to 2 tens. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 2, 11 and 12. We write here 12. 1, 2, 12. So we have to cut the ones place. We have to start writing from the 10 place. So now 1 to 5 and 1 to 2. We know 1's table. 1 5 is 5 and 1 2 is 2. That's very easy. Now we have to add these answers. So there is nothing to add. So we write here 5 and 2 plus 5 is 5, 6, 7. 7. We write here 7 and then 2 plus 1 is 3. We write here 3. So our multiplication answer is 375. So friends, let's see the next problem. 42 into 3. So let's start. First we have to multiply 3 ones to 2 ones. Then we have to multiply 3 ones to 4 ones. Let's multiply. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. And then 3 to 4. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So our answer is 126. So let's see the next problem. Let us see another problem. So another problem is 54 into 36. So first we have to do the 6 to 4 and then we have to multiply 6 to 5. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24. Let's rewrite 24, but 2 is carry. We have only 4. 2 is our carry. So let's carry 2. Now we have to multiply 6 to 5. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30. 30 plus 2 equals 32. Right here, 32. Let's cut the ones place to right here from the tens place. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. We write here 2 and 1 is our carry. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. We write here 16. So let's add 4. Add nothing equals 4. And 2 add 2 is 4. Then 6 add 3 is 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1 add nothing equals 1. So our answer is 1944. So how was the today's video? If you like it, so please like it, share it and subscribe it. So friends, bye bye. See you in the next video that is about division. Bye bye friends. Hoopla!